Okay, students, we have to do this question. If A equal to one matrix is given of 2 into 2, 3, 1 and second row is minus 1 and 2. You have to show that A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. This already be done in matrix. How to solve this? So we will do again this part A square minus 5A plus 7I. This is the equation, and this help you will take the help of this equation, and you will find out that A inverse. Look here, for A inverse we have many methods. Elementary operations also we have method. By adjoint also you can find. Now if this equation is given, then also you can find A inverse. But here is condition that the equation should be given to you. Then need not to find adjoint, need not to use the elementary method, you can find direct. So how we do? Look here. First we have to show that this equation. So look here, how we find A square? A square meaning is A into A. A is here 3, 1, second row is minus 1 and 2. And again you write this A, 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. And you have to multiply. How we can multiply? Look here. This you can multiply. This first row you will multiply by first column and second column. Then second row also you multiply by first column and second column. Look here. 3, 3 is 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Okay. 3 1 is 3 and 1 2 is 2, means total 5. Next is minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, that is minus 5. Minus 1 and 2 to the 4, means you have 4 minus 1 is 3. So you can find this A square. So it is a very simple for you to find out the A square. Here you get A square. Now you will put in formula equation A square minus 5A and plus 7I equal to O. O is a 0 matrix. Look here, A square you can put as it is 5, 8, 5, minus 5 and 3. Now minus 5 and 8. A already given to you 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. And next is plus 7I. I is a unit matrix 0, 1 and that is equal to 0. Now the second matrix you have to multiply by minus 5. All the elements of this matrix you have to multiply by minus 5. So what we get here? Minus 3 5 is 15. Minus 15 minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 1 is 5. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. And last you multiply by 7. So 7 0 0 7. Look here. You will add this. First term you will add 8 and 7. 8 and 7 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. So you get here 0. Next is 5 minus 5 and plus 0 is 0. Next is minus 5 plus 5 0. Then you have 3 and 7 10, minus 10 is 0. So it is a true, means 0 matrix equal to 0 matrix. This equation is true here. You already saw that this part is equal. Now you take the help of this equation and you have to find A inverse. How we can do here? A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. This you multiply by A inverse. You multiply both sides by A inverse. What we get? A is inverse into A square. 5A into A inverse into A. 7A inverse into I equal to A inverse into 0. Look here. When you multiply this, you get here A power 1. Now these you multiply, you get A inverse into A is I, and A inverse into I is A inverse, and A inverse into a 0 matrix is a 0 matrix. From here you have to find A inverse. So 7A inverse will be this 5I you transfer, that will be plus 5I, and A you transfer, that is minus A, and that A inverse will be 7. Look here, this you have to write 1 upon 7 into 5I minus A. All of you understand this? A inverse we can find by this method. So look here, next how we can do. Now A inverse equal to 1 upon 7, and we have 5 and I is a unit matrix 0 1 0 0 1 minus A is already we know 3 1 minus 1 and 2. Okay, this first you have to solve. How can solve this unit matrix? You can multiply by 5, and the second you multiply by negative -3, -1, 1 and -2. Okay, this you will add. You will add this. What we get? We get a new matrix. 5 minus 3 is 2. 0 minus 1 is -1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. And this is a inverse that you can find this A inverse. This also you can write answer, or you can write A inverse will be equal to 2 upon 7 minus 1 upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. This is also a answer. So we have two answers. You can write any answer from this. So hope you understand this solution.